over. Tell me all about this. What?
There's like this wall, and it has holes in it to put our feet in. And then all the time when I put our feet in, we have to climb all the way to the jungle gym. And here's something fun. There's like this, never mind. Yeah.
Never mind what? Hey. I want to hear more about Mrs. DeGeorge.
Mrs. DeGeorge was really mad. She said, no more calling to the boy. But he just wouldn't listen.
Was she very nice to you?
Yes.
Yeah?
But here's something bad.
What?
Oh, like, I kept on standing up, then she said, sit down. But I just couldn't stop it. I was bored.
Well, you know you have to listen to the teacher whether you're bored or not, right?
Yes, and then the last time she said it, I sat down for a long time until we had to do something.
Awesome. Do you have fun today?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Awesome.